Hi, I'm Sindhu Sribhavan, helping you to ramp up your creativity and roll out your innovation journey. In this session, I'm going to share a case study that will help you to understand the design thinking process better. There is a home where orphan children are housed. People noticed that the children look malnourished. In a traditional problem-solving process, what will they do? They will say that the children look malnourished. Probably you need to look at the food they are eating. Probably you have to make the food more nutritious or give them some vitamins. Let's see how we can use design thinking in this case. When a design thinking team goes to address this problem, as you know, they will start with empathy. So how do they start with empathy? They will go to the home, they will observe how the children are behaving, what the children are eating, what they feel after eating. They will see whether the food is tasty. They will see whether the children are finding the food tasty, how physically active these children are. Are they getting enough sunlight? What are the types of the clothes these kids are wearing? And generally, how well is their mental health? How committed are the staff towards the organization? How happy are the kitchen staff? Are the staff treated properly? How does the chef cook the food? How is the food served? What is the hygiene of the plates and utensils which are used in the kitchen as well as on the serving table? What is the schedule of serving the food? Where do the children eat the food? Are some of the children emotionally attached to the food? And how they are attached? What do they do specially? What are some of the stories associated with the orphanage, the children, food, hygiene, and so on? They try to immerse themselves into that environment, experiencing everything that the children are experiencing. They look at several different areas. Eventually, they will come up with a list of things that they need to address. They may find that the food is nutritious, but it's not tasty. So the children are not eating the food. So probably they should look at redesigning the menu so that they can provide nutrition as well as taste. They may find that the children are not getting enough food or the canteen staff are not treating them well. They may find that the canteen staff are not paid well enough, so they are not committed to their work. Or they may find that the general hygiene is not up to the mark in the orphanage. The children are always falling sick because of the bugs in these unhygienic conditions. What this exercise has resulted with is a list of multiple sub-problems that they need to solve, looking at the main problem from different perspectives. In the traditional problem-solving environment, when you will focus just on nutrition, in this environment, in a design thinking process, you're focusing on many things and you're also coming up with solutions that will solve multiple areas. And at that time, they will also focus on the most important areas, have continuous conversation with children, with staff, and so on. At the end of this program, after they implement the solutions, they will see that yes, it is helping the children and it is helping the overall organization or the establishment. So that is how we approach design thinking. I hope this example helps you to understand the design thinking process. I haven't talked about the prototyping as well as the testing part because I believe that you know that already. I just wanted to highlight how to use empathy in looking at a particular problem from different perspectives so that you can provide the best solution to the problem you have on your hand.